Hey there, Kai. My name's Nang. I run Streamable, and we would love to sponsor Streamer University and give your streamers free usage so that they can IRL stream with no issues. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about Streamable by now, as we're working with a lot of the big streamers that had issues with other cloud servers. But let me just walk you through what we do. So we provide premium streaming servers. If you lose connection without a cloud server, the stream will just end and all the viewers will get kicked. So we switch them to an offline scene, and it has a clips player. They can also switch from desktop stream to IRL streaming without ending. And what we have on top of this is an algorithm to lag less often. So if the connection is not that good, the stream will still be smooth. And there's a bunch of other features to help them IRL stream the best they can, like DDoS protection and collab streaming. So they can just share their ingest with another person by just adding their email. It takes 2 seconds and can happen while live. On other cloud services, you need to email their support and wait like up to 48 hours for that to happen. For us, it's just instant while they're live. I'm sure you guys know Lefty, who does production with Aiden, and maybe Sam Ham, who does production with the Sidemen. So I'll just show you it real quick so you can see how it works. We just start the server here, and it takes less than a minute. You know, the other cloud servers, they take up to 3 minutes. And so here we have the dashboard where they can control their stream. This can also be controlled on the phone. And so here we'll add an ingest. So if your streamer is just using a phone, like an iPhone, which was going to use Moblin, or an Android where they'll just use IRL Pro, it's the same thing. All we need to do is just scan this QR code on our phone, click imports. You just click go live and you're live. And here we see that it's online. And now this ingest is switched to automatically because it went online, and it will be on the stream. We have everything that you guys would need, like a remote OBS. You can stream to horizontal and vertical destinations at the same time. You can also do multiple destinations. Like here we have Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, Kick, and you just have to make it active to start the stream. And yeah, we would love to support Streamer University because we want to support all streamers. The whole reason why we made this is so that streamers can do what they like to do, which is streaming without issues. But anyway, just hit me up. I think if they use another cloud server, it's going to be like $130 per streamer, but we can hook them up for free. And just hit me up. It's Nang at Streamable.run. I think it's going to be in the application. So yeah, just hit me up and let's run it.